Getting the exception value in Python. If I have that code, how can I get this exception value, string representation I mean?
Use str. Also, most exception classes will have an args attribute. Often, args0 will be an error message. It should be noted that just using str will return an empty string if there's no error message, whereas using repr, as Python recommends, will at least display the class of the exception. My take is that if you're printing it out, it's for an end user that doesn't care what the class is and just wants an error message. It really depends on the class of exception that you are dealing with and how it is instantiated. Did you have something in particular in mind?
Use repr and the difference between using repr and str. Using repr. Using str.
Even though I realize this is an old question, I'd like to suggest using the traceback module to handle output of the exceptions. Use traceback.print_x to print the current exception to standard error, just like it would be printed if it remained uncaught, or traceback.format_x to get the same output as a string. You can pass various arguments to either of those functions if you want to limit the output, or redirect the printing to a file-like object.
Another way hasn't been given yet. Output. args0 might actually not be a message. STRE might return the string with surrounding quotes and possibly with the leading U if Unicode. Repr E gives the full exception representation, which is not probably what you want. Edit? My bad. It seems that baseException.message has been deprecated from 2.6. Finally, it definitely seems that there is still not a standardized way to display exception messages. So I guess the best is to deal with e.args and STRE depending on your needs, and possibly e.message if the lib you are using is relying on that mechanism. For instance, with pgrfizz, e.message is the only way to display correctly the exception. Using STRE will surround the message with U. But with misclb, the proper way to retrieve the message is e.args1, e.message is empty, and STRE will display _code, _message.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.